spike bird feeder. Cut a large semicircle out the bottom of an empty milk bottle. Cheeky Monster Spike is orange, so using a glue stick, cover the outside of the milk bottle in orange tissue paper. Don't forget the lid at the top. Next, draw Spike's face onto a white piece of card and cut it out. You can ask a grown-up to help you with this. Add 2 black circles onto the eyes with a felt tip pen. Then cut out his spikes from purple foam. Then finally, draw Spike's horns onto a piece of white foam and carefully cut them out too. Glue on all of your cutouts to make up his face and secure the spikes onto the back with masking tape. Tidy up the taped areas with more tissue paper and felt tip pens. Now take a piece of string and pull it through the handle to tie a knot at the end. Secure a lollipop stick at the bottom for the birds to stand on and fill it up with some yummy bird seed. And there you have it, your very own spike bird feeder. Tweet, tweet!
King Monster